Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also make sure you turn off your hot and cold water supplies. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the complete agitator assembly in the washer. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take you a few minutes to do. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the agitator kit, you're going to get the complete agitator, but you do have to put it together. Here's your agitator dog assembly, the upper agitator, and the lower agitator, along with the new bearing. The main reasons you'd want to change out the whole agitator is if it was excessively dirty and you just couldn't get it clean, or if multiple parts of the agitator wore out and you just feel it's worthwhile to change out the whole thing at once. First, we have to go ahead and open up the washer lid to gain access to the inside of the washer. We have to go ahead and remove the fabric dispenser. Our particular model just pulls off. Other fabric dispensers may have a lock ring that you have to pull up on to disengage and then lift up on the fabric dispenser, and then there's probably going to be a cap underneath it. You'll have to pry off the cap with a flathead screwdriver. Most models have a dust cap. We need to pull it out so we can get to the agitator bolt. If the dust cap seal is damaged, you should order a new one from AppliancePartsPros.com. Underneath the dust cap is the inner agitator assembly and the agitator hold down bolt. So grab your 7/16 inch socket with a long extension. When you first start to take out the bolt, it may be a little tight, so you have to reach down inside the tub and hold the lower agitator while you break it free. Once you feel that the bolt is all the way out of the threads, lift the agitator out of the washer. The bolt will stay in the agitator until we take it apart. Alright, here's the old agitator and the new agitator kit. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new agitator does not come assembled, so we do have to put it together. So first thing we have to do is put our thrust washer on the lower agitator. Alright, when you're putting the two sections back together, there's locking tabs on the lower agitator that lock together with this part, the agitator cam. You don't have to do this. The instructions actually say for you to remove the tabs and just use the bolt to put it together, but I like to put it together the way it came out. Makes it easier to carry around. And then insert the cam assembly into the upper agitator. And then in order to lock it together, we have to go ahead and set it down and line up the tabs. Once you have the tabs lined up, you can go ahead and stick your hand down inside, press them together. Now that we have the new agitator assembled, we can go ahead and stick it back inside the washer and put the bolt back in. Grab your agitator bolt and your socket, 7/16 inch, and hold your finger onto the screw and guide it back down into the hole. Once you have it in there, go ahead and tighten it down. Once the agitator bolt starts to tighten down, you may have to reach inside the washer tub to hold the lower agitator so it doesn't spin. Once you have the bolt installed, we have to put back in the dust cap. This sometimes goes in and pulls off the seal, so make sure you take a drop of liquid detergent and put it around the edge so it slides down into place nice and easy. We can reinstall any cap or fabric dispenser you took off to get the agitator out. Just go ahead and snap it back in place. Ours is just the snap-in type. So that's all you got to do. Now that you have the machine reassembled, you can go ahead and plug it back in, turn the water back on, and take it for a test spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.